Ready? I have to look at you the whole time. I am the burping girl. Here we go to start off. Why didn't you do my kiss, Mom?
Why didn't you clean up our living